Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Aliexpress. Use the app or a browser so settings are accessible. Once logged in, go straight to Account, then Settings, and open Email Preferences. You do this because the site centralizes subscriptions there. Changing options at source stops future sends. Tap Newsletter, Promotional, and Order Updates to view active toggles. Make sure to use the same email address you receive messages at, because Aliexpress shows preferences per address and linked accounts. Next, you disable the specific subscriptions that send most emails. Turn off newsletters and promotions to cut marketing. Keep order updates only if you need shipment notices, because unsubscribing may stop tracking alerts. Once you uncheck boxes, press Save or Confirm, this writes preferences to your account and prevents more mail. If you see multiple addresses or regional sites, repeat the steps for each one. Once done, Aliexpress should stop sending typical promotional campaigns to the selected email. Finish by confirming the change. Aliexpress may send a one-time confirmation email. Open it and verify preferences, because that final step ensures the system applied your choice. You should also add a filter in your email client to auto-archive or delete any lingering messages while propagation completes. If spam continues beyond a week, clear app cache, log out and back in, then repeat unsubscribes. If that fails, contact Aliexpress support and supply the email address used so they can resolve backend issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.